Now, let us take a numerical example. So, let us say that you have secant inverse of minus 4. You need to convert this into some sort of tan inverse. So, how do we do it? So, first let us use the triangle method. So, first let us say that we are dealing with minus 4. So, let us first deal with plus 4 and then adjust the formulas. So, secant inverse of minus 4. So, hypotenuse is 4, adjacent side is 1. So, from this the opposite side becomes root of 16 minus 1 is root 15. So, basically secant inverse of minus 4 will be equal to tan inverse of root 15 by 1. These two will be allied positions. Now, this angle secant inverse of minus 4, this angle is in the second quadrant, right? Because when negative number goes inside secant inverse, the answer is in the second quadrant. Here tan inverse of root 15 is a positive number. That means you get an angle in the first quadrant, but you get allied positions. That means you get the reflection. The allied position to this in the first quadrant is the reflection. Now, LHS represents this number, RHS represents this number. So, what is the relation between these two? Pi minus of this angle is equal to this angle, or pi minus of this angle will be equal to this angle. So, if this is theta, this will be pi minus theta, right? The allied position in the second quadrant. So, secant inverse of minus 4 can be written as pi minus of tan inverse of root 15. This is one way. What is the other way? Using property 1. So, secant inverse of minus x is straightly equal to pi minus of secant inverse of x, right? Because the range is related to 0 to pi, and say whenever you have minus x, so it will convert into pi minus of this. And once you have a positive number inside secant inverse, you can directly use the triangle method. So this is equal to pi minus tan inverse of root 15. So as you can see, you got the same answer. So it doesn't really matter what in numerical questions. You don't need to remember the formulas also. Whenever you have a negative number, using property 1, convert the number into a positive number, then directly use a triangle method for conversion.